Welcome to Binance Futures trading strategies that will make you profitable. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm here to show you how I trade to get these exact figures you can see right here on your screen. Now, the first thing you need to do is to know the trend of the particular asset which you are trading. This is an uptrend, as you can see. This is an uptrend, right? But if you look at the left side of the chart, where price was coming from, you see that we have a supply here. You see that we have a supply. So price is likely going to react from here, but that does not mean the uptrend is completely over or gone, right? Because price is at a supply level. So if you are trading this particular concept, we have to go down. We have to go down to a lower time frame now to see what the particular trend is doing in the now. So let's go to 15 minutes. I love the 15 minutes so much because it tells me what exactly is going on right now. We're in a 4-hour supply, and we can easily see that we have a change in state of delivery. Now, what is a change in state of delivery? This is a change in state of delivery right here. Let me show you. When price does this, gets a pullback down, retests, and goes down, you don't come to the next demand to start looking for buys. No, you don't start doing this because price is already showing you from a supply that it wants to sell. So what you do, you look for this particular schematic. You look for this particular schematic here, right? You look for it in a supply that has just been formed. So where is the nearest supply that we have? Is this one here. So this is where I'm going to be trading from. I will wait patiently for price to come back to my point of interest somewhere around here. This give me another sell confirmation again. And then I'm now confident to sell this trade to the downside. I'll be extra confident to do sell this trade back to the downside. And where am I going to target? I'll target here as my first take profit level. I'm going to target here as my first take profit level. I'll come down again, target the next draw on liquidity, which is here, next inducement, and then the last one, which is somewhere around here. So this is how I'm going to approach the market, because I already know that price is now bearish. Price is now bearish. Look at the bearish intent we had, right? Look at the bearish intent that price just showed us from a 4-hour supply. So from this 4-hour supply now, I will start looking for I'll start looking for sales. I won't be buying. I won't be buying. Now, how do I take this trade? When price gets to this inducement level, which you can see very clearly here, price gets here, this level, right? This is our inducement. I'll just write it as a $sign, $2 So that's my inducement level, and it's where I'm going to be selling from. So I'll just put my limit order here. Put my stops right above here. And then what do I target? My first TP. It should give me about 1 to 2. See it? First TP is about 1 to 2. Second TP is about 1 to 3. About that. Can refine this to the downside again. Can refine this if you want to. But basically, this is how I'm going to be addressing or approaching the market. Right, I'm going to approach the market like this. Let me faint this a little bit. So it looks more attractive. Just going to faint this. And now we have our move. Now, this pullback here, this pullback is a weak pullback. We can confirm this with our indicators. Come in, let me put my indicators. Yeah, technical indicator. I'll just put volume underneath it, just my volume indicator. So you see how weak it is. Can you see? Can you see? It's a weak movement. It's not a strong pullback. So don't come here now and start thinking this is a change of character. This is not a change of character. It can never be a change of character. See, don't come here now and start marking this as chalk and start buying from here. A lot of you are fond of making this mistake as traders. Don't come here to start trading like that. Thinking here is what? A point of interest. That is not a point of interest. Even though we have fair value gap and everything, this is not point of interest, right? This is just a pullback back into the supply. Back into this supply, guys, into this supply here. This is where price is coming from. Price is coming to sell from there. Now, when you understand the market order flow, it becomes, let me knock out this guy, it becomes easy to trade Binance Futures trading very, very swiftly. It becomes super easy, guys. It becomes extremely super easy to catch these moves. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. If you're following this channel, hit the like button, subscribe, smash the notification bell icon so you get updated as soon as I post amazing videos like this for you to see for your own consumption, right? So while selling, I'm selling this market from here down to the downside, and that's just what it is. I'll see you in the next video. One love, peace out, have fun.